Hello friends. So on yesterday class, what we have done is we have installed Kubernetes on Ubuntu 22.04 using one by one command. But today, what we'll discuss? Today we'll discuss only how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu 22.04 by using Ansible role. Fine. Now before going to that, let me first create those two server which is having in AWS. Okay, so let me log into my console, AWS console. Yes, now I am logged in. Okay, so here what I will do is, okay, so now my servers are in okay, let us wait. Okay, both the servers are still initializing. Okay, so first I'll give the server name as master. Second one I'll give as node. Okay, so I know the node. Okay, now let me connect to both the server first. Okay, first I'll copy the public IP of master node. Here I'll go here. How to access the command is ssh space hyphen I, then the your PIM key, then the username of that server. So here the username of the server is Ubuntu at the rate public IP. Okay, it will not connect because here I have typed wrong username, double B I have written. So yeah, same way here also we can write. Okay, yes, my key pair name. Okay, so SSH space hyphen I Ubuntu at the rate. What is the public IP? Public IP of the node one. Okay, so this is my public IP. I just copied and paste it. Okay, that's it. Now I am now I am in node 1. This is our node 2. Okay, so to install Ansible, we can run couple of commands to install the Ansible on Ubuntu 22, but I have already written one shell script. Okay, so let me clone it. I don't need to run each one by one command to install Ansible. I'll just run this. Okay, so let me clone it. Git clone, then enter. Okay, so same here also. Git clone. Okay, fine. Now ls cd2 shell script. Okay, sorry, cd2 shell script. Okay, control L. Here also cd2 shell. Now ls, here this is my shell script. If you want to see, you can cat it. Okay, Ansible. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll run the shell script so that it will install Ansible. So I have run it on a master. Now I'll run it in node. Okay, so dots. Okay, what is there here also same dot slash Ansible. Okay, now it will run. Okay, fine, let us wait. So let me open the file in which I have already written how to install Ansible by one command. So yeah, this is our previous class. Okay, so first what I was doing is first I was changing the host name, right? So how I was changing the host name by this command. Okay, so this command we will give in where we need to give in the Ansible role. Okay, so this is the command. This is the command where we are running. This is the command we are running in cell. So here in browser we will search Ansible role to run cell command okay. So here cell module is available. Okay, so see, I'll not tell like copy and paste. I'll just tell you how to write. Okay, so that you people can understand. You can write your own shell script or write your own Ansible. It will be helpful for you. If I'll show you just like other people git clone, then the Ansible role name, then the I'll just clone it and I'll run the Ansible. Then the Kubernetes is ready. Then I'll just show you. Hey, my Kubernetes cluster is ready within 2 minutes. No, I'll explain you how to write. Okay, so that it will helpful for you people. Okay, fine. Now, what is the command? Okay, sorry, what is the role? Role name is cell. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, I'll just copy it. Then here. Okay, before that, before start with the Ansible role. Okay, first we need a directory structure. Okay, we need a directory structure where the Ansible role will be structured in proper manner. Okay, so that file should be present inside the etc and slash etc slash Ansible slash roles inside that directory. So the command is to create here. If you do ls, there is nothing. Okay, sudo Ansible sudo Ansible hyphen playbook, sorry, sudo Ansible hyphen galaxy GALAXY, sudo Ansible galaxy init init, then the playbook name, whatever playbook whatever Ansible rule you can give, you want to give, that you can give it here. Okay, so for example K8S install. Okay, so it will initialize the directory okay, see, now this is created. If I'll go inside that, it will give you the all structured things. Okay, so whatever Ansible rule we need to write here, we need to write inside the task one. Okay, whatever task. So what I need to do, sudo vi, then the role name is K8S, then the file directory name is task and the file name is main.yaml. Okay, so whatever Ansible role or whatever things first you try to install. Okay, first what we need to update the package. Okay, so first what we will do, okay, now what we'll search first, Ansible module, Ansible module to update package in Ubuntu. Okay, so this is the apt module we can use. Okay, so control F, update. See, update cache, what is the value, why we need here? If you see, it is needed to run the equivalent of apt-get update. Okay, so here if you want, whenever you want to update, then you need to give update underscore cache. Okay, this is, then how to write. Okay, see, this is the command, sorry, this is the module details. Why we will use this, we will use run the equivalent of apt-get update as a separate step. Okay, so yes, so what we will do, we will just copy paste those things. What we will copy, we will just copy it, that's it. Okay, now we will paste it over here. Okay, now apt Okay, here this one, as I am using Ansible role, here I'll remove it. Arc module update cache underscore yes. Okay, next one more line we will add it here. We want to, for example, if you want to force update, okay, so you can give force underscore apt underscore get equals to yes. Okay, that's it. Now my first thing is completed. That means my Ansible role is completed to update the package. Okay, next thing is okay. Now I want to change the host name. I want to change the host name. How I'll change? I'll change by using cell module. Okay, here this is the example of cell module. Let me go and copy and paste it here. Okay, see how easy is this? Okay, so here I'll do as what I'll write. I'll update, not update, change the host name. change the host name. Anything you can give. Ram, Hari, Vishnu, Sita. Okay, whatever you want. But it should be some specific. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing. Next is cell module we have given. Then the command. What is the command? The command is, let me just copy and paste it. Okay, so this is the command. That's it. Then if you want to run multiple command in cell, you need to give it as this. Okay, then another command. What is another command? Okay, so see here one more thing. If you want to change it in this way, then this command is not, cmd is not required. Okay, so say this one, and next is vash vas. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to give separate also, this, if you want to run this bash separate also, you can write how the name is running bash. For example, I'm saying shell cell. What is the command is bash bash. Fine. Now, as I told you yesterday, next command is we need to update the value inside the etc host file. Okay, so how to update? So here we'll go to browser. We'll ask, hey browser, I want to update, or I want to append a line, a ppe, and the append a line in a file using Ansible module module. Okay, so it will show line in file. Okay, so we'll use line in file module. Okay, let us check how to give the line. Okay, so if you go down, okay, see here, this we can use. This you need to you need to think, because my requirement is I need to add a line. So here this already mentioned, add a line to a file if the file does not exist without passing rejects, but my file is already present. Okay, so this is not an issue. So what you need to copy, you just need to copy in this way. Okay, so copy, then I'll paste it, then here I'll give a adding the host name in where, in slash etc slash hosts. Okay, so what is the file name? Okay, so the, sorry, for what is the file path? Okay, slash etc HOSTS. Okay, slash etc HOSTS. That's it. Okay, then just okay. Now I'll remove it. Line in file module. Okay. Then what is the value? Value will be private IP, then the host name, whatever you want to give. Okay. What is the value? Okay. Value, or what is the line you want to add? That is the host name, host IP. So here my host IP is 172.31.4.39. Okay, then space, then master. Okay, now next is name. Okay, next. So here what we have done, now up to what we have done. Yes, now we have added here. Up to this, it is completed. Now we will update and upgrade. But as I have already in first command, I have already updated, so no need to worry. It is done. Okay. Next is I need to I need to run this container D things. Okay. So for that, what I will do? Okay. For that, as we discussed earlier, this container d.conf, this file is not there by default. So I need to create it. Okay. So I need to create it. How I need to create? I'll check it over the browser. Ansible role, Ansible Ansible role, sorry, Ansible module, module, Ansible module to create a file, So here, what module we will use? We will use the file module. Okay. See here in this file module, we will use and we will create the file. Okay. Okay, so we'll put our logic. So see here what it is showing, touch the same file but add or remove some permission. Touch the same file, that means it will create. Okay, let us use this one. Okay, so for example, I'm taking this. Okay, I'll do, I'll just paste it over here. I'll make it okay. I'll write that I need to create. Okay, check create which file name I'll just give it. Okay, file name is this one, create container d.conf. Okay, so this I need to remove. Okay, so file path, the what is the file path? File path is, this is the file path. I'll just copy and I'll paste it. That's it. See how easy is this? State is, as this file is not present, I need to touch it. That means I need to create it. Right? So done. This is also. Now next command. I need to append this two line inside this file. Okay. How? Now again, as I told you earlier, here this one we are using, right? This one we are using to append a line, right? So what I'll do, I'll just copy and paste it. Okay, hyphen name, add adding line to container container d dot conf. Okay, so the module, what module will use? Same module, line in file. line in file module we will use, and what value. Okay, now the file destination. Okay, so file destination, where we will create the, where we want to touch, where we want to give those values. Okay, so here destination we can give the st destination in, where you want to add, I want to add here inside the container D. Okay, I'll just paste it. Then how many value I want? I want to give two value, right? Those are like overlay and PR net filter. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll make a variable line column. Then okay, here I'll write item, then this one. Okay, now the those value I need to pass somewhere, right? So with underscore items, with items, what are the value? With items, one is just I'll copy and paste it. Okay, one is overlay, one is overlay, next one is beer net filter. I'll just copy, then I paste it over here. That's it. Now, now I'll go to next part. Okay, next part is, let me go there and I'll check. Okay, these two command we need to give. Okay, so what we will do? We will check how to run this command. Okay, okay, so now what we'll do, Ansible module, Ansible module, Ansible module to run, Ansible module to run which command? Ansible module to run more prop. Okay, to run more prop. Okay, so here it is already there. I think mode prof module we can use. Let me check. Okay, so yes, we can run it. Okay, so here let me go there once again. Again insert, then I'll paste it. Add the which module I want to add. Those are overlay. Okay, one is overlay, another one is BR net filter. Okay, fine. Now here those two value I'll pass it as a variable. Okay, so how I will pass. Okay, so here I will give those name as same in this way. Okay, I just copy and I paste it. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, that's it. Now, now next command is, I think we need to add some configuration file or something in kubernetes.conf. Okay, so let me check. Yes, this file we need to add. Okay, so we need to add, that is where, and where we need to add. See, on last class also we had discussed that kubernetes.conf file was not there, so we need to create it. Correct. So how to create? As I told you earlier also, if the file is not there, if you want to create, this is the module we can use, right? So what we will do, we'll just write item name create, okay, Kubernetes.conf file. This we can refer, okay. Which one? This one. What we will do? We will give the file module, then the path where we want to create. Where is the path? This is the path is this one, okay. Just copy and paste it, okay. Now I want to touch, that means I want to create it. So state equals to touch we can give, okay. So here state equals to touch, that's it. Okay, now you save it. See how I am doing. You can also write same way. Okay, try to first understand so that you can write n number of command, n number of Ansible rule. Okay, there is no limit. Now I need to add this three line. Okay, so same. Once you understand one thing, you can just copy paste. Okay, so same here. How I have added. Okay, so same here also you can add it. Okay, so what you can do is I'll just insert same hyphen name add lines in where you want to add. You want to add in this file, okay. Now what is the next command? Next command is sorry, line in file module we can use to add the file, okay. Sorry, line in file module we can use to append to append lines in one file, okay. So in line in file, then the what is the destination path you want to give, okay. Destination path you can give. See, this is same. I'm just changing those names only, okay. Destination, what is your destination? Sorry, destination is this one. In this file I want to add, okay. I'll just copy, I'll paste it, that's it. In destination, okay, which line you want to add, okay. I'll just copy and I'll paste it. Line, copy, then paste, okay. With items, what all you want to add? I want to add this line, this three line I want to add, okay. So how I will add? So here I'll give hyphen, then single quote I'll give it here. Next command, okay. So insert, then next is hyphen, then copy this one, then paste it, okay. Then next is this line. I have already explained you on last class why we need these commands, okay. So I have pasted here. Now what I need to do? So next command is as this one, we need to reload the system changes. What we need to do? We need to reload the system changes. So this is the shell command, okay. So what you can do? I'll write another rule here. We will use shell module, okay. Name, okay. Reload the system changes. So she reload the system changes. So the module name is cell module. What is the command? I have already copied. So this is the command. Okay. Next. Okay. Before that, let me save it. So you can ask me why you are saving. So it's better whenever you are working in VI editor or some editor, try to save it. Okay, so that if there will be internet issue or something, the file will be saved properly. Okay, fine. Now we need to install the required packages. Okay, so we need to install the required packages. What packages? These are the packages. Okay, so how to install the packages? So again we'll go to Google and we'll ask, I want to install uh, Ansible role to install packages to install packages. Okay, so what we can do, package module we can use. Okay, one is built-in package module we can use, or we can use apt module. Okay, so here, see here, this is yum module. If you are using CentOS or something, okay, so you can use yum module. Use apt, we'll use here apt module. Okay, so how we can install. Okay, see, this is the command to install Apache HTTP apt module. What we'll do, we'll just replace it. Okay, I'll just paste it, install. What all you want to install? You want to install, these are the packages you want to install. Just I will, okay, fine, no problem. I will make it here. I'll change it here. Okay, so this module I want to install. Okay, Control C, paste it. This module I want to change. Okay, so see here again. What I'll do, I will make it as variable name. Name is item, item, item. Okay, fine. State should be present. That means it will install PRESC and T present. That's it. Okay. Now here we need to give those value of that item with items with items. Okay. Then I'll give one by one. Okay. Copy, paste. Sorry. Copy, paste it. Curl. Next one is, okay, let me copy the whole. I will just copy, then paste it. That's it. Okay. Now I'll save it. Next command. Okay. Now what I need to do is I need to add GPG keys. Okay. So this GPG key. So now what I need to check here. So Ansible module to add GPG key. Okay, to add GPG key. Okay, so yes, apt key module we can use. Okay, so here if you see, this is the apt key module. Okay, this one we will use because we are having the URL. Okay, insert, then I'll just paste it. Remove it. Okay, now here I'll give the name as R docker docker gpg key, add docker gpg key, then the key URL. Okay, then the key URL is this one. Okay, I'll just copy and I'll paste it there. See how easy is this. Okay, now next is I need to add the repository. So how to add? Okay, again we'll see here it is already there, apt repository. Okay, so here we'll use same. Okay, so what is the name? We can give name equals to add docker apt repository docker docker apt repo. I'm just giving the s- uh, like in small, uh, I'm giving just for hints. Okay, then here what I'll give, I will give the module name. What is the module name? Module name is apt repository. Okay, I'll just copy it, I'll paste it. Okay, repository, what is the repository URL? So next one is here I'll give the value repo. Okay, repo equals to what is the repository value. Okay, repository value is this one. Okay, repository value is this one, but if you give this then we will encounter the error. Why? Because here this one mentioned as variable, and here what we need to give, you need to give the Ubuntu OS name, that is Ubuntu 22.04 is called as JMMY. That's it. Okay. Now I'll save it again. Now I'll check. Okay, what is the next command? Next command is, always remember, when we will add any GPG key or repository, then we need to update. Okay, we need to update and we need to install this. Okay, so as we have already written how to update the package. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste it. I'll copy this. Now I will go down. Okay, now I will write here. Okay, okay, it is done. Now I want to install the package. I want to install the package. So here name install, install which package you want to install. I want to install container.io. container.io. Next is which module we want to install. Okay, here we will use apt module we will use, and we will give the package name. What is the package name? Package name is container.io. container.io. Okay, fine. Next is up to this it is completed. I hope you are getting. Okay, fine. Next is we need to configure container d system d as c group. Okay, before that we need to run this command. Okay, this command we need to run in shell. Okay, so for that, what is the command? As I have already told you, I have already shown you how to write the shell command. So name uh, 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 run this configure container d. Okay, so here I am giving the name as configure configure container container d. Okay, so here the container d, and what is the command? This is the command. This is the command. I'll just copy it. I will paste it here. shell cell. Then the value. Then the value. Value will be. Value will be the these all commands. Okay. See, here I'll give it, I'll enter, I'll paste it. I hope you are getting. Okay, fine. Now next command. Next command is hmm, this set command. Okay, so here in set command, what we are doing here, we are checking whether this line is present or not. If it is present, then it was changing the value. It was changing the value. Okay, so here what I will do is we will use. Okay, let us check Ansible role to modify modify file. Okay, to modify file, the file Ansible module is line in file module. Okay, so if I'll go here in line in file module, this one. Okay, line in file module. Okay, so I'll just paste it. Okay, and the name as replace a line in which file you want to replace, and what is the path and what is the regex. Okay, so if you want to take the backup before okay, so if you want to take the backup of that file, so you can give the name. Okay, you can give the pass the value as backrefs equals to yes. Okay, so here what you can give is backrefs 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 equals to yes. Okay, now you can save it. Okay, let me save it. Now it is saved. Next command. Next command is we need to restart container T. Okay, so we'll check again here Ansible rule, sorry, Ansible module to restart service. So what we'll use? We will use service module. Okay, so we will use service module, and we'll also need to enable. Okay, so here for example, this one we can use enabled as yes. If you want to restart, that means this one we can use. Okay, service module. So what I will give is I will just edit it. Okay, then insert, then here I will give as name. Here what I will do, here I will give the name as restarting restart contain container D. Okay, then I will use service module service. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. SCR service module. Okay, I will use service module. Which service I want to restart, that is container container D. Okay, container D I want to restart. Then what is the state, whether you want to restart, stop, those things you can give rest they restarted. Okay, then whether you want to enable, yes I want to enable equals to yes, that's it. Okay, next is, let us see, we'll go here, we'll check. Okay, this one done. Now what we need to do, we need to add the gpg key. Okay, so same way how we have done, okay, earlier in adding the um, here we are adding the docker key, right? So same way we will add. Okay, I'll just copy, I will, okay, no need to copy, I'll just give the name equals to, and there is syntax error, name equals to adding, okay, adding gpg key for K8s. Okay, adding gpg key for Kubernetes. Okay, now What is the module name? Apt key. Okay, what is the value we can give here? We can give inside the URL. In the URL section, you can give. Okay, I'll just copy and I'll paste it. I have copied. I'll just paste it over here. Okay, this is done. Now, next is we need to add what we need to add. We need to add the repository key. Okay, so what we need, how we need to add. Okay, I'll show you. This one we have already done. Okay, same way we will do. Okay, then name hyphen name equals to what we can give, adding the repository for Kubernetes. Okay, whatever name you can give. Then the module we will use apt underscore repository. Okay, repos repo g TORY. Be careful whenever you are giving any module name. Okay. Then the thing is repo mode. Repo here I can give and the value. Value is what is the value? Value is this one. Okay. I'll just copy and I'll paste it over here. That's it. Okay. Now, now what I will do? Next command. Next command is I need to update. Okay. I need to update. Then I need to run. I need to install these packages. Okay. So update. You know how to update. Okay. I have already explained earlier. So no need to worry. So this I have just copied and pasted. Now I want to install these packages. Okay, now I want to install these packages. How to install these packages? Okay, as I have already told you how to install the packages. Okay, so same way we can just copy and paste it. Okay, I just copy. I have copied. Then I will paste it over here. Okay, apt module you can use. Okay, and apt module with item, whatever item you want to install, whatever package you want to install. Okay, kubelet, kubeadm, those things you can give it here. Those things you can give it here. Okay, so one is kubelet, next is kubeadm. Okay, then next is kubectl. Some people call it as Cuttle, but no need to worry. You can say kubectl also. All are fine. Okay. So fine. Now let me save it. Okay. Now I want to hold this installation. Okay. So what you can do, we'll check how to do. Okay. Ansible roll to hold service. Okay, service. So what is the module name? So module name is service module. Okay, and module name is service module. State we should give as hold. Okay, so state we should give them as, okay, not this one. We can use, I think, what I remember is dpkg selection. Okay, Ansible able to hold service using dpkg selection. Okay, using dpkg selection. Okay, this one we can use. I'll just copy. Okay, insert name hyphen name name equals to prevent prevent the package from being automatically installed from being automatically installed. Okay. Next is module name dpkg underscore scle sheet tion dpkg selection, not selection, that is selections. Okay, so I'll give them as variable as I already told you earlier. Okay, this one with item. Okay, next is selection. Okay, SELECTION selection. What is the value? Selection value is hold. Okay, fine. Now, there should be some value which your package we need to hold. Okay, so those value we can give as here. Um, these things we can give. Correct. This package service I want to make it as hold. Okay, so that's it. Okay. So here one mistake I have done is with items I have not given with items with items. Okay, that's it. Done. Now let me save it. I have saved it. Okay, next. What is the next command? Next command is I need to run this keyboard a minute, which is shell script, which is shell command, right? You can insert how to run that command in shell hyphen name as run this one. Okay, run keyboard a minute. Okay, run keyboard a minute. Then next. Next is shell module, right? Shell. What is the command you want to give? You just give it here. Okay. Keyword in it. Now, when we are running yesterday or previous class, I think you know that or you have observed that we were getting the command to add the nodes to master, right? So let me show you the output, right? Okay, so this is the output when we are running the command keyboard init. Okay, then here we need these two lines, right, to join any number of worker node by running this command from the root user, right? So what you can do is if I want to get this value by using Ansible, we will use one module. Okay, that is a register we will use. Okay, so the output of this keyword init will be stored. Where it will store? It will store in register. For example, register. It will store in register, and the here we will give the value as command output. Okay, here this command output I have given. Then I want to see those value, because without getting those value I cannot run in a node. Okay, then only if I run those command in node, then only I'll be able to add those node into the master, and then our cluster will be ready, right? So here I'll give the name. What is the name? Name I can give as display the token for joining. DISPL display the token for joining the node. Okay, joining the nor what is the module name? The module name is debug module. Okay, so debug module. Then we can give the variable which line I want to see. I want to see both line number 70 and 71. But here as it is started from 1, so we can give line number 69 and 70. When I'll explain you in Python, then I'll explain how to extract the data, how to extract the line by line by using Python script as well. Okay, I'll explain you. So no need to worry. Okay, so what I'll do, variable, what is the variable value? We can give command, okay, underscore OV, command underscore output, command underscore output. It will take the value from this, then it will script the line number 70 and 69. Okay, so the stdout standard out underscore lines underscore line, which line number 69. Okay, so same, I want to see line number 70 also, right, as I told you. So debug this one, I want to see line number 70 also. Okay, copy, then paste it. Okay, I want to see line number 70. Okay, that's it. Now let me go to my, okay, here. Now this is done. Next command. Next command is we were adding the kubeconfig file, right? Where we were adding the kubeconfig file, we were adding the kubeconfig file inside the home directory, right? So first we need to create the .kube directory, then we are creating the config file, then we are pasting those configuration file in config file. Okay, so now what we'll see is we need to check how to create Ansible, create a directory, create a directory, create directory using Ansible role. Okay, sorry, not using Ansible module. Okay, so that is file module, I think we can use. Okay, in file module we can give the state as, see how it has give the link, that means it is creating the symbolic link. Okay, so same way we can give directory. See, here we are giving the directory, that means this is the correct one. Okay, this one I'll just copy and I'll paste it over here. Okay, creating a directory. Okay, where I want to create, I need to give that. That's it, nothing else. Okay, so here creating a directory in, where I want to create in slash home slash Ubuntu. Okay, so same, I'll just copy it, I'll paste it here, then the directory name I need to give slash home slash Ubuntu slash dot cube, we need to create, right? So dot cube state is directory, that means here the directory will be create. Okay, next command is let me go here. Okay, now we need to copy, which file we want to copy, we want to copy this file into config file. Okay, but this config file we need to create, because this config file is not there, right? Let me see, Ansible role to create the config file. Okay, see here it is showing how to create. Okay, we need to create config file, earlier also we have done, and here we need to give the owner permission, owner and group permission. How to give? See, this is the owner and group permission. Okay, give permission to an existing file. Okay, so same way we can use. Okay, So what we'll do, we will write it here. Okay, hyphen name, hyphen name, hyphen name. Okay, create create kubeconfig file. Okay, create kubeconfig file. Okay, space, sorry, insert create slash config config, create this config file. Okay, now what is the module I can give? I need to give it, I need to give it what I need to give. I need to give the module name as file. Okay, file module. Then I need to give the path where I want to create it. Okay, I want to create it here in this directory. Okay, copy, then I have pasted over here. Then the whether I want to create, as this file is not there, so I need to give the status touch touch. Okay, fine. Now the permission I will give ow in er owner. Okay, ow in er owner. Who will be the owner? Ubuntu will be the owner. Then the group, group, group will be also Ubuntu. Okay. Now next, last command. Okay, last command is we need to copy. We need to copy that file. This file we need to copy, right? So Ansible module to copy file. Ansible module to copy file. Copy file using file module, using file module. Okay, so here we can use, okay, we can use Ansible copy module. Okay, so here if you see, this is the first we need to give the copy. Okay, then the source file name, then the destination. Okay, what I will do, I'll just copy it, I'll paste it over there. Okay, then the source file is this one. Okay, source file is this one. Okay, then the destination is slash home slash ubuntu slash dot q slash config dot q config. Okay, dot q config, that's it. Copy file, copy file, where you want to copy? I want to copy file to, sorry, I want to copy file from here to this one, from here to this one, copy, then paste it. Okay, from this one to this one too. Okay, then I'll remove these things. Copy module, I'll use it. Okay, now this is done. Now our Ansible role is completed. But one more thing, to when I will run the Ansible role, we need a file which will call the Ansible role. So we here sudo vi dot slash. That file should be wherever you want, but I'll give it here. Sudo vi install uh, yes, okay. K8S hyphen install.yaml you can give K8S hyphen install dot yml. Okay, this one I can give. Role name I need to give. Okay, K8S install. Okay, so if I do it here, cat. Okay, cat cat K8S. Okay, K8S hyphen install. K8S hyphen install. Okay, now let us run. Okay, sudo ansible hyphen playbook. Then the playbook name is K8S install.yaml hyphen syntax syntax hyphen check. Will check the syntax. Okay, everything is fine. Let me run it. Okay, now it is running. Okay, the error sudo here. Okay, now here those are double quote was there. Let I have removed. Let me remove in other places also wherever I have given as double quote. Okay, so this one I need to remove. Then I need to remove this also. Next is I need to remove. So when you will do practically, or when you will write the script or write the command, so that you will have the actual experience, so that wherever you are getting any error, you need to rectify them. It will increase your um, troubleshooting power. Okay, so yeah, let us run once again. Equivalent separate steps. Okay, message unsupported format apt modules force apt get. Okay, okay, so here the problem was, I got it. Here the problem was this part. This one I have written by mistake as APTY. Okay, so this should be it. Then I'll check it where I have APTY. Okay, see how easy to find. Okay, now I have removed it. Again, I'll check it. APTY. Okay, here also I have APT. Next, APTY. No, nowhere it is present. Now it is fine. Okay, let me run once again. Okay, now it is done. See, this is complete. Okay, see, wherever you will see this color change, this means it is applied. Okay, so that's it. See, here it is showing us green color because this item curl and these packages were installed already earlier. So it is just making us okay. So wherever it is installing or whatever it is working, or wherever the uh, module is running, those commands are showing here in the in yellow color. Okay, so fine. Now here the problem. What I am getting is uh, okay. Here I am getting replace in line failed chain message. Line is required the state present. Okay. So here let me go. Not here. Okay. This one. I think. Let me see where it was. Message line is required with state. where in this one. Okay, let me copy and we'll see slash paste it. Okay, here. Let me see why you are getting it. CL container deconfig default. This is fine. Okay, so here the path I have given, regex I have given, but what will be the value I have not given? Okay, so I need to give it. So the value will be, what is the value? The value will be I need to give line, then so here I have missed one line, that is this, because so it will check whether if this will if system D C group it will found, then it will change the system D C group equals to true. That line I had missed, that's why we are facing the error. Okay, again let me run it. See, as earlier these were already changed, that's why it has changed to green color. Okay, now restart container. We are failing unsupported parameter. Okay, what is the unsupported parameter in this one? Okay, restarting container D. Okay, restarting container D restarted. Okay, so here the issue is, instead of enable we need to give enabled. Okay, right, and quit, control L, again I will run it. Now it is installing this kubelet, kubectl, kubeadm. Okay, now one is installed, kubelet. Let us it will install kubeadm, then kubectl. Okay, let us wait. Meanwhile, mm, let me go to. Okay, this is my node server. Okay, it is not responding because of timeout error. Okay, fine. Let me wait. Now it should show. Now it is running keyword minute. It is creating the cluster. Now it should show the output. Those lines. How to add. Okay. So let us wait. Okay. Now we got the output. This command we need to run in. Where we need to run? We need to run in node machine. Okay. So as this is my node machine and this is timed out. Okay. Fine, no problem. So let me go inside that directory etc Ansible role, and I'll create the role as sudo Ansible. Here also I need to create sudo Ansible Galaxy sudo Galaxy init. Then the role name as um install hyphen K8S. Okay, that's it. It will create now sudo vi. I'll just copy from there to here. Okay, sudo vi slash K8s, sorry, install K8s. Then what I need to do? I need to run. I need to give the path tasks main.yaml. Okay, install. Okay, so here let me cat what I'll cat the role. Okay, I'll just copy paste. Okay, and whatever is not required I'll just remove there. Okay, these things keyword init is not required. uh, okay, up to this it is required. Okay, so here what we'll do, here we'll change in node machine, we will change the name from master to node. Okay, that only will change, otherwise everything is fine. Okay, so if I go to top here, change the host name. Okay, sorry, my bad luck. That master machine name I had given node by mistake, so you can change it. Okay, you can change it there when you will do. Okay, so here what I'll do is I will give the this server's IP 172.31.5.251. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll run it sudo. Okay, before that I need to create the file, that Ansible playbook things. Okay, so same way how we'll do sudo cat K8S installation, right? This one I'll just cat it. Sudo sudo vi ins install hyphen K8S install hyphen K8S dot yml. Okay, just I'll paste it here. So same way as I earlier explained you, K8S install. Okay, so the Ansible name. Okay, so here the Ansible role name was different. Here the Ansible role name is install K8S. Okay, so here the Ansible role name we need to give inst install hyphen K8S. Okay, that's it. Now I'll run sudo Ansible. Always remember whenever you will run Ansible role, you will check the syntax. Okay, so here install creates hyphen hyphen syntax syntax check. Okay, sudo Ansible playbook line number 3. There is some error. See. Okay, line number 3. Sudo vi roles. This one task main.yaml. Line number 3. If you want to directly go +3, you can give. Okay. So here, this is the error I was given by mistake. Okay. So this one again we'll check. Okay, this is fine. Now let us run the Ansible playbook. Sorry, Ansible role. Okay, now it has started. Fine. Meanwhile, here what you can do, So let us check the sudo okay kubectl command you can run. Okay, kubectl get nodes. Okay, kubectl get nodes. Okay, see here one node is created which is not ready. This is fine. Now we need to create the calico.yaml file. Okay, so how to run? So if we'll go to, so here we'll run this one. Okay, okay, here we are inside etc Ansible, right? So here let me run here. Let's now we have calico.yaml. So here kubectl pp kubectl apply hyphen if. I'll explain what is calico.yaml in next class. Okay, next class onwards. Why, what is daemon set, what is deployment, everything I'll explain you. So no need to worry. Just today's class is to create this Kubernetes cluster, so that when we will do practical, you will not having any issue. Okay, so kubectl get nodes. Okay, now my node master one is ready. So this is showing as node because by mistake I have given the name as a node. That's why it was giving the node, but it should be node. Okay. So here if I want to change sudo, what is the command to change the node name? Okay, so sudo this one, instead of node I will give master. Okay, now let us change. Okay, still it is showing. Okay, fine, no problem. So as you understood what was my error, that's why here we are getting the, it is as node. Okay, so yes, on node machine Kubernetes is installed, not Kubernetes, the required things are installed. Now we'll run the qadm join command, so that the node will, here also it will show you. Okay, so what are those commands? One is this one. Okay, just sorry, copy. Then what I'll do, I will paste it here. Then I will run this command. Okay, and then I will, sorry, again my bad luck. Copy, then paste it. Control C. Then here I will go and I will run sudo this command. Okay, now it is doing pre-flight check. Okay, as this is my test environment, let me change the security group from anywhere. Okay, might be due to that it is restricting. Okay, so here if I'll go and add the inbound rule, here add rule custom TCP, it should be all TCP custom anywhere, saved it. Okay, now let us check. Okay, we are getting the error, no problem. Okay, so as we were getting the error here, what was the error was, this is the error. Okay, you can look at this config file with this one, so and so error. What is the error? Error is execution phase, kubelet start a node with the name node. That means a node is already created earlier which is having the name as node, because the master node I have by mistake created as name, I have given the master. Okay, so here what I did, I uninstall and I install once again. I just change the name here, the master, I change the name as master. Okay, now let us run this command to join the worker node here itself. Okay, not here in the node 1. Okay, so this is my node 1. Okay, no problem. Let me go here. Yeah, 54. This is, let me go to my node 1. Where is my node 1 server? My node 1 server is this one. Okay, so I'll copy it. I will paste it over here. I pasted here. Then, okay, there is some error. Okay, fine. So this is the error. Okay, so this is my node machine. So what I'll do is, I will add the node. Okay, so my node machine is, how to add the node. Okay, so sudo, then the command one by one we will give. Okay, so this is my first command, sorry, first line, where we got the value from this keyboard in it. Okay, from that output we have received space, then paste it over here. Okay, see here, what we are getting, we are getting the error as this file is already exist. Okay, so what we need to do, sudo rm -rf slash etc kubernetes, insert the star. Okay, let me try. Okay, super. Now this is ready. See what it is saying. This node has joined to the cluster. Certificate signing request was sent to this one. So, okay. The run kubelet get nodes on the control plane to see this node to the cluster. Okay. See, now here I'll run that. kubectl get nodes. Okay, see, now this is my master machine, this is my node, and this is in ready state, and that's it, just 28 second ago. Okay, so this is 3 minute 8 second ago it has created. Okay, so this is, these are the version of those master node, master machine, and the node machine. Okay, so that's it. So this is how we can, in how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu 22.04 by using Ansible role. Okay, so you people can do, you just clone my repo and you run it. Okay, it will be easy for you. But to make you understand, I have explained the process. I have explained you how to write this Ansible role. This will be very, very, very helpful for you in our day-to-day activity when it is coming to Ansible part. Okay, I hope you understood. Okay, and if you understand properly, then I will suggest create the server, try to create or try to install Ansible, then Kubernetes. Okay, with my Ansible role, or you can try with your code as well. In your comment section, you can give the whatever doubt you have related to DevOps. You should ask me. I'll definitely reply you. Okay, so yes, this is very easy. Within like a fraction of minute, like I can say within 1 minute or 2 minutes, the node will be created. Okay, so it was just taking some time because of some error. Okay, so fine. Okay, so thank you all of you. Thank you for listening the tutorial, and thank you so much for your time. Thank you.